Hello, today I would like to explain the integration of the EtherCAT gateway from PSRmodular into Codesys version 3. First of all, we will have a look at the integration, then we will go online again. First, the device description must be installed. Therefore, we will go to the device manager and install the device. You can find the device description file on our website at the EtherCAT module. There are two files, one with and one without analog values. In our example, we use a file without analog values. After the system is installed, you can add the file to the EtherCAT master now. To simplify the adding a little bit, you can use a filter and filter to the Phoenix contact modules. After that, you select the PSRmodular gateway and add it. Once the system is inserted, we can look into the data by double-clicking on the system. Here the process data are listed individually. On the left side the outputs and on the right side the inputs. Here we see again the complete process image of the inputs and outputs. At the top the outputs and at the bottom the inputs. In order to go online, we now set the update time of the task. Then we can set up the system. After this, we now have the possibility to log online into the system and upload it once to the controller. After the upload, we now see the first values in the system. Here we see the system status and here the input bytes from the module. I let this vary now once over a setup input. As you can see below, the input is written to an output. If now an input is written up here, which goes to an external output, you can see that reading and writing to the variable works. That was already the short introduction to the EtherCAT gateway into the Codesys system. For all further documentation, please refer to the manual or the datasheets on our website.